Scared of Chaka is a punk rock band based in Albuquerque, New Mexico, USA, which was formed in 1993 by guitarist-vocalist David Yanul Hernandez, bass guitarist Dameon Waggoner and drummer Jeff Jones. Jones was later replaced by Ron Skrasek. The band played a Dickies-inspired mix of garage and pop-punk, following in the footsteps of local Albuquerque act The Drags. The band released a number of full-lengths, 7 EPs, and split records throughout its career for labels including 702 Records, Empty Records, Dirtnap Records and Hopeless spin-off Subsidy Records. Following the 2001 release of Crossing with Switchblades, the band dissolved. The band played a number of reunion shows in 2008, including Music Fest Northwest in Portland, Oregon, and FunFunFunFest in Austin, Texas. On September 20, 2008, they performed with Dillinger Four as part of the inaugural Year of Forward Music Fest in Madison, Wisconsin. Legacy. Following the breakup of Scared of Chaka, Hernandez formed Broadcast Oblivion in 2002 with Cody Willis of Murder City Devils, Dead Low Tide and Big Business, and Andrew Church of the Drew Church and Super Suckers. Hernandez had previously performed in projects with James Mercer, who went on to form the popular indie rock act The Shins. Scared of Chaka also released a split 7 with the pre-Shins act Flake Music. The original lineup of The Shins featured Hernandez on bass guitar. After a year, however, he left the band to pursue a personal relationship in New York. One in 2003, when Shins bass guitarist Neil Langford left the group, Hernandez rejoined the Shins as a bass guitarist. He currently lives in Seattle. Skrasek lives in Portland, Oregon, and Waggoner lives in Los Angeles. Scared of Chaka's music was influential in the U.S. garage punk rock scene. Current bands which have continued similar musical threads, such as the Riverboat Gamblers, have cited Scared of Chaka as an influence. 2. Discography. Main albums. Hutch Brown Sandwich, 702, 1995, LP. Scared of Chaka, 702, LP. Masonic Youth, Empty, 1996, LP. How to Lose, 702, Empty, 1998, EP. Tired of You. Hopeless Subsidy, 1999, LP. Crossing with Switchblades. Hopeless Subsidy, 2001, LP. Collections. 7 Stories Tall, Singles 94.99, 702, LP. Singles, EPs and Splits. Scared of Chaka The Gain, Split 7, 702 Records, EP. Scared of Chaka Flake Music, Split 7, 702 Records Science Project, EP. Scared of Chaka Fatal Flying Guillotines, Split 7, Dirtnap Records. Scared of Chaka Real Swinger, Split 7, Ballroom Blitz Records. Scared of Chaka The Traders, Split 7, Johann's Face Records. Livid J's, Bad Man Records, 2002, 7 EP, Limited 200, White Marble Vinyl. Scared of Chaka Word Salad, Split 7, Science Project. Scared of Chaka Automatic 7, Empty. External links. Scared of Chaka at 702 Records. Scared of Chaka at Empty Records. Scared of Chaka at Hopeless Records.